Sean Diddy Combs, charged with sex trafficking, racketeering, and crimes that allegedly spanned years and lives. Week 1 of this explosive federal case unfolded like a psychological thriller. At the center, Cassie Ventura, Diddy's former girlfriend, whose voice may either convict him or collapse the case. She testified about a relationship filled with violence, humiliation, and control. "He dragged me, smashed my head," she told the jury. She said she had to organize and participate in what Diddy called freak-offs, multi-day sexual performances involving escorts, baby oil, and drugs, all while he watched. "At some point, I felt like I didn't have much of a choice." At one freak-off, she testified, Diddy forced her into a baby oil-filled inflatable pool. In another, he allegedly ordered someone to urinate on her. "It was disgusting," she said. "I didn't want to be doing that." She spoke of urinary tract infections, mouth sores, and bruises. She covered up with heavy makeup, including before walking a red carpet beside him. Then came the hotel video. Jurors watched surveillance footage from the Intercontinental Hotel and allegedly showing Diddy hitting, kicking, and dragging Cassie after she tried to walk out of a fruit. The prosecution said this proves physical and psychological control. The defense argued the video was misleading, sped up to look worse. But it wasn't just Cassie. A male escort testified that Diddy paid him to have sex with Cassie while he watched, sometimes joining in. He was in a robe, wearing a cap and a bandana over his face, but I knew his voice. He said Cassie once ran into his arms after an assault, crying and shaking. She begged him to say everything was okay. He told her it wasn't, and she needed help. Then came Dawn Richard, former member of Danity Kane. She testified she saw Diddy throw Cassie to the ground and hit her with a skillet full of eggs. She curled into the fetal position, Dawn said, and he dragged her upstairs. When asked why she didn't report it, she said she was terrified. And then, the bribery accusation. A hotel security guard testified Diddy offered him a stack of money to look the other way. Week 1 ended with this chilling quote from Cassie. "He raped me on my living room floor. His eyes were black. It wasn't him. It was like something being taken from me. The stakes? Everything. Diddy's legacy. Cassie's credibility. And a jury that must decide, was it luxury or coercion?" This is just the beginning. The trial continues. Subscribe to stay updated and ask yourself, is power a shield or a weapon?